In today's video, I'll show you how to access Microsoft Loop in just 5 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you like. In the search bar, type Microsoft Loop and hit enter. Look for the official Microsoft Loop page in the results and click it to go to the website. Once you're on the site, click the sign in button at the top right. Enter your Microsoft account email. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one quickly. Next, type your password. For extra security, Microsoft may send a one-time passcode or OTP to your registered email. Enter the code to proceed. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Microsoft Loop dashboard, your central hub where all your Loop components are neatly organized and ready for use. If you use Outlook, you can integrate Microsoft Loop directly into your workflow. You can create and share Loop components right in your emails and access them from the Outlook navigation pane on the left-hand side. This makes collaboration smooth and keeps everything in one place without constantly switching apps. And that's it. Accessing Microsoft Loop is simple, designed to help you stay productive and organized. Explore its features and start experimenting with different components to make the most of your digital workspace.